Do you see any more in the water? I'm gonna try to get some swimming for Mom. I wish David would have came. He would have been loving this. Hello there. Do they see the dog? Does it even faze them? No. Hello, buddy. What's that, Maddie? You talking back? Telling him to shut up? You had enough? That is too funny. Look at that one all like, he's just chilling.
Defending his spot.
Is that what he's doing right now? From who? From us?
Mother, sea lions that want to go.
And that's what they do? They just stay there like that? Aw, so that's the male?
I don't know.
And that's a baby right there, right?
Probably.
If I drop this phone in the water, I'm going to be so pissed. Look at the baby just woke up. You see any swimming in water yet? Damn, seagulls, stay out of the camera. Oh, they're pigeons. You got some? Where's he at? Right down here? Look, he's waving to us. Hey, buddy. Oh, there's his eye. Hello, buddy. Did I wake you up? Oh. Oh. I don't think I got that. Oh, I see the bubbles. Oh, he's over there now. How many are there? I keep missing. Where'd you go? Come back. Well, something. Check this out. We're going to get him jumping into the water. Is that one going now? He's chilling? He's chillaxing. Is there two there? Huh? Is that what he's doing? Dipping his head underneath? See any dolphins anywhere? They're jumping all over the place. Get him, Maddie. I got that one, babe. He did. He came right underneath the camera. Now my mom can see just how close they are because they're around the pilings. I want to go on one so bad. I'm jumping in and going swimming. Ah. Hello there, buddies. Mom, if I drop your phone, I'm sorry. Oh, look, there's the baby. See him?